Hello, good afternoon, respected David sir, and also my classmates. I am Bajamma Shaik. This is my module 5 assignment, Global IT Outsourcing and also IT Strategy. Here I mentioned two topics, that is Global IT Outsourcing and also IT Strategy. So forward to first section, that is Global IT Outsourcing. So introduction to Global IT Outsourcing. The primary strategy and the global IT outsourcing refers to the IT services and functions like software development and system management, customer supports, etc. And also the pros of global IT outsourcing is reducing cost and access skills and technologies and scalability. And one more thing is the quality. So many organizations are utilizing the global IT outsourcing worldwide because appearing in different places around the world. Here I mentioned step by step. So outsourcing is a primary cost saving strategy in most of the businesses, and also this concern banks contracting for some information technology duties and processes being done by esteemed global or local entities. So not only organizations and some other banks and healthcare and some entertainment fields also utilizes the global IT outsourcing. For example, Bank of America and Citibank, like that. So the companies are able to focus on their key objectives and additionally benefits by tapping into the skills of information technology. So the main focus on the global IT outsourcing is nothing but the productivity. I mean, less labor cost and productivity and quality and also. So the IT outsourcing practice gives the companies an ideal chance to improve their operational specification, increase service quality, and moreover maintain a strong competitive position in the industry. So this is the picture view of the global IT outsourcing. As I mentioned before, service-based pricing, less labor cost, expert assurance, increased productivity, technological advantage, and staying on the top of the competitor. These are the key points of global IT outsourcing. Here I mentioned the picture to understand easily. This is global IT outsourcing, how the worldwide the using, and these are the cloud. So these are the IT employees and devices, how the working about global IT outsourcing by quickly and fastly. So forward to next, that key benefits and drawbacks of global IT outsourcing. So global IT outsourcing has a profound benefit for organizations because it can reduce the cost and also time as well as. So firms usually achieve their projects at very high monetary value, which is wasted time sometimes, as some of the projects could have been executed at the fraction of the cost without compromising on the quality. However, it also means that organizations have to depend on a larger talent pool that is spread across the globe instead of locally, and can choose from varied skills and expertise. So diverse group are more likely to suffer from language disabilities or time zone differences, resulting in lower productivity and misunderstanding among distant claims. So these types of decision might be taken into account, the positive and negative, while making strategic decision about global IT outsourcing operations in which it is involved. So these are the key benefits and drawbacks of global IT outsourcing. So the first section is completed. So forward to next section, that is the IT strategy. Here I selected the Amazon company's IT strategy because Amazon is a very solution driven organization and consistently focus on the great customer costumes so within the marketplace. And Amazon has implemented a very thorough and precious IT strategy with the cloud at its core. So as we know that AWS cloud, so that is Amazon Web Services. So the AWS Amazon is able to operate its massively scaled infrastructure. So services, for example, that enables the company to quickly scale up the down to meet and huge in fluctuations in demand. For example, during the popular high traffic period like Black Friday and Prime Day, here I mentioned we all are using Amazon application. We all know that the Black Friday and Prime Day running on that. So running on the largest global cloud computing platform. So Amazon able to benefit from highly resilient technology infrastructure. So additionally, by accessing services such as the computing, storage, database, and machine learning tools on highly AI to demand basis enables the company to operate in cost effective way. So this is the analysis of how outsourcing impacts the Amazon company's IT strategy. So mostly IT strategies must be influenced by the sustainable number of variable, and the magnitude of the impact is immense. So business IT experts say that another of the prime effects of outsourcing on Amazon.com IT strategy has been cost reduction. And also this is I mentioned about the Dell and IBM how the function is working on, and this allows the cost effectiveness, enables the recollection values and resources inherited by the Providal and R&B vendor venues. Next, and when a company gets involved in partnership for outsourcing is able to secure external expertise and a solution like clients and vendor capabilities like that. So yeah, this is overall the how the outsourcing impacts on the Amazon company's IT strategy. Here I mentioned step by step having uh, step by step. Next, here I mentioned the picture of that Amazon. So cost effective, business expansion, sale volume, customer feedback, nevertheless, warehousing and advantages per revenue generation, save more time. So here also I mentioned about the 2020 strategy diamond because this is related to topic that is economic logic, how to obtain returns and where to play and how to get there and sequence of moves and distinctions. So coming to the conclusion part, here I discussed about the global IT in outsourcing and also IT strategy. So consequently, through this exploration of global IT outsourcing and the impact of this on IT strategy, many intricate details of this complex business practices have been unveiled. So while there are numerous advantages of implementing IT outsourcing on a global scale, and that is the cost saving as a first benefit, and while other include the gain specialized skills and even around the clock services. So the alignment of the IT strategy with the overall business objectives is one of the key element towards the success of global outcoming. This will involve in-depth analysis of the vendors capabilities, extensive communication in all location with all parties, and effective risk management process to mitigate potential threats. The finding reinforced the key role of strategic planning and risk management in optimizing the benefits and diminishing the drawbacks of global outsourcing. These are my references. Thank you, Professor, for giving this opportunity. This is overall research on global IT outsourcing, and I took the Amazon company. So that is the Amazon company's IT strategy. Thank you.